guys, it's day 2 at CBI Off-Road Fab. I think it's probably day like 5 or 6 of this epic journey that we've been on. So if you are just checking in, you should look through those old videos because we got a bunch of cool stuff going on. Northwest Overland Rally, cool epic adventures. We got a whole bunch more coming on. We're getting a full wrap on this truck soon this week, so I'm very excited. We're gonna go check in on the Tundra, see how that's coming along. Yesterday we got the Prinsu rack installed. We had ditch light brackets. We're doing rock sliders, skid plates, and a bumper. So it's gonna be really, really cool. Those guys in there are working on making a tutorial on how to install the Tundra bumper. So luckily I won't have to do that because typically there's not a lot of tutorials out there. CBI is working really hard to make their YouTube channel really good resource for you guys. So I won't have to do that technical stuff. I think I've learned by now, I'm not like a technical guy. I'm more like the take it out in the field and test it guy. So I'm happy that they're doing that. If you guys want to learn exactly how to install this bumper down to every single nut and bolt, go to CBI Off-Road Fab's YouTube channel. That's where you want to go. Now I could have swore I heard a horse back here. Y'all got a horse? Oh, there is a horse pen right there. So this is pretty cool, getting to see the Tundra on the lift for the first time. I'm gonna take a walk underneath it and show you guys some of the suspension components because, I mean, I don't know. I think it's interesting. And maybe there's not anybody out there showing this kind of stuff, so let's go take a look at it. This is basically Land Cruiser suspension. First time I've seen it on a lift.
Yeah.
See some of the damage that I've done under here.
Good opportunity. Oh yeah, you can see it followed you.
Dude, don't take these things off road. I hit right there. It probably came all the way back, went crunch. This is jacked up. There's some back here. Oh, it's all of it.
Yeah.
Wow, it all comes off in one piece.
Yeah.
Like grill bumper and everything.
Yeah, so this is kind of our covert line here. So this one just comes out, the covert bumper goes here.
Right.
Our line is gonna be up here. So
I like it.
Get rid of all
that, man.
Yep.
It'll be looking pretty good. So I think it's really gonna change the look of this Tundra and save it a little bit. Plastic.
It's crazy. We gotta take that off.
What is it for? Why does that need the louver?
You're asking the wrong guy.
Come on, man.
I don't have a degree in louvering. I believe it's something to do with the cooling and the intercoolers, but a lot of them are louvered. The Bronco's louvered also.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So that's probably what triggered the grill shutter code. I thought it was the actual grill shaking the radar sensor.
Oh, so you had a code on this?
Grill shutter. That's what it says. Yeah.
Oh.
So that's the shutter. I was thinking like shutter, like it was shaking in the wind.
Physically shuttering.
This is like a shutter, like a window shutter. That makes sense. They should have used the word louver.
It's way better. It's funner to say.
Grill louver. Wow, man, it's like a normal sized grill there. So much girth. Oh yeah. You know, I normally feel pretty judged for staying in hotels. Oh, goodness, look at this. I'm perfectly capable of keeping it rugged, like for real. I almost slept in that cave the other night, but I do enjoy some of the finer luxuries that the city might provide. I was hungry, but was working, and I used my phone to magically make pad thai appear. It's incredible. So we got full skid protection from the front all the way past the transfer case. Comes up just like that. Super duper safe. And they got the bumper done. Looks good. Sick. I got these dents out, kind of. Sweet,
Black
dude.
and silver looks clean.
It does look good, man.
Super clean.
Oh, that's awesome.
Legit.
Looks like a completely different truck. Like it looks so much better. Oh my gosh, look at it, man.
Here we are.
It's amazing. It seriously, it changes everything. Like the whole front end looks so much better. We got rid of I think the bumper was down to here, and we got way more clearance now. We have full protection. All the sensors are in place. The radar works. We got room for a 30-inch light bar, pods on either side. So I'm gonna have to take a stop at Heretic Studios at some point and get ditch lights. We'll need a light for the Prinsu rack up top. But this truck's really come a long ways, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
for your work.
thanks for coming by. It was fun.
It looks amazing. I was initially kind of disappointed with the Tundra looks and some of the features, and I didn't have the best feelings towards it. But seeing it now, I feel like I have like a little crush going now. So maybe I'll fall in love after we get some wheels and tires. But the CBI stuff just really made all the difference. Like it looks like a truck should look, you know what I mean?
It's got beef.
It's got beef. So we're gonna go take it for a drive and make sure all the sensors are working and nothing's rubbing and everything's good to go. And then after that, I'm gonna be heading to Post Falls, Idaho to get the Tacoma wrapped. And then after that, we'll be doing a 4th of July promotional video with Decked and Grindhard Plumbing. So we're gonna be jumping. Apparently they want to jump Barbie cars over my Tacoma. But dude, again, thank you very much. And dude, thanks for helping me film. It looks incredible. Thanks to CBI. Huge shout out to CBI. They've always been an awesome supporter of me and the channel, and our history goes way back. So wish I had my GoPro going right now. I just did the fattest burnout in this truck. I didn't even know it could do that. That's crazy. These guys are filming, so I'm trying to put on a nice little show for them so they get some good footage. Wow, Tundra, my goodness, where have you been hiding? Woo, you freaky. Here we go. Oh, it's all just right tire fire. smoked him out hard. Baby Jesus, she's looking nice. All right, everybody, we're about to take off. We got the Tacoma. Jeez, I keep getting these mixed up. We got the Tacoma all loaded up, strapped down, ready to go. Tundra looks amazing, man. Huge shout out to CBI and the guys. Justin in the shop just killed it on the installs. They made a really, really awesome video doing informational stuff or just instructional video on how to install this bumper. So I couldn't really be hands-on like I like to be, but I got a lot of good work done too. And I'm gonna be heading from here to, I'm in Idaho Falls. I'm gonna be headed to Post Falls, Idaho, to get the Tacoma wrapped by CW Wraps. So the journey continues, the adventure is never ending. Made it in my tent. Time to get some sleep. It's a little past midnight. I got about an hour drive tomorrow to CW Wraps, and we'll get the Tacoma dialed. It's gonna look really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little sketched out. I forgot my gun on this trip, and I normally always have it with me. You know, I like to think that everybody's awesome, law-abiding citizens, no big deal. But it seems like every time I'm on one of these trips, I get jacked or robbed or something. Something happens. And being completely alone in a rooftop tent in a $100,000 or $150,000 setup, it's just a big target, you know. I'm like up in the hills, kind of a ways away, and a silver SUV with no license plates just drove by pretty fast. So, kind of makes you think twice before falling asleep. So hopefully I'm alive in the morning.